got the power tools, right? Don't lose these guys. Need those later. Okay. Figure out what slides we need. Okay. I don't know who did that, but they did it backwards. Alright, we have to unhook this brake line from the strut. Take the easy way out. There we go. Just make sure we don't use this thing to put it back in. Back in there. Okay. Alright, put that back. Put that up. There we go. Well, I don't know where my little flathead is, but we'll just use this big guy. Pop this line. Take this wire off here. That's your ABS sensor wire. Don't break that. Alright. Get this back on. Sometimes the sway bar inlet can be a pain in the ass. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have to grab it with something. I have new sway bar links, but I can't get the bottom one off on the other side. Dang it, and I forgot my vice grip. I'll be back in a second. Stop recording.